is a storybook all by himself. There is no work of fiction more fanciful. Ole Gunnar Solskjaer gives thanks again for the scattering of the magical dust available only seemingly to who can reach areas other footballers just cannot reach, whose grasp of the improbable is utterly unique, and whose timing, whose maximising of the moment is unparalleled surely anywhere in the history of this game. Just when all is lost. Breathed in red, restored to this great gallery of the game, a walking work of... And so the time is nigh. Stares up at his final peak.
That is one of the great goals! In front of a stump! How has he plucked that one out?
Well, the move was good enough, but the finish, every one of these Everton fans is not going to happen. Should be applauding that, because they won't see a goal at Goodison Park like that for a long, long time. What's Scallo's run? Just takes Mikolenko inside, that gives Rashford the chance, a bit of space, but watch this, Bar sits it up, and that is world class, absolutely world class. VAR in my ear checking something, don't you dare disallow this. There's nothing to be disallowed, it's an absolute...
He takes the moon and all the planets into consideration before he detonates this one. It's the calculus. Einstein, it doesn't confuse Leo Messi. I tell you what, if Isaac Newton was watching this man, he'd be saying, boy, was I wrong. This is what Einstein called a spooky action over this.